Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory that often gets overlooked until you desperately need it: a reliable power supply. Specifically, we're looking at the Kircuit AC adapter replacement for the Canon DR-2050c compact duplex color document scanner. For anyone who owns this fantastic scanner, you know how essential a consistent power source is, whether your original adapter has gone missing, is damaged, or you simply have a 100% brand new, high-quality unit. And while it's a product, that certainly doesn't detract from its performance or build. In fact, it's designed with a keen eye on functionality and durability. One of its standout features is its universal input voltage, ranging from 100V to 240V AC. This makes it incredibly versatile, perfect for anyone who travels frequently or needs a scanner in different regions around the world without worrying about voltage compatibility. It truly is a great option for both a direct replacement and an indispensable travel companion. What truly sets this power supply apart are the intelligent components built right in. It features a dynamic IC, a charger IC, and a power fuse. These aren't just fancy terms, they translate directly into real-world benefits. The dynamic IC and charger IC work together to ensure rapid charging, getting your scanner powered up efficiently. More importantly, the integrated power fuse provides crucial overcharge protection, safeguarding your valuable Canon DR-2050c scanner from potential electrical damage. This level of built-in protection offers significant peace of mind, knowing your device is safe while it's connected. The Kircuit adapter is also designed with portability in mind. Its compact form factor makes it easy to pack into a bag, and its wall mount design means it won't take up unnecessary space on your desk or power strip. It's a corded electric power source, providing a stable and continuous flow of power, which is exactly what you need for consistent scanning performance. Whether one is setting up a new home office, replacing a lost adapter, or preparing for a business trip where the Canon DR-2050c needs to come along, this Kircuit power supply offers a robust and reliable solution. It's a testament to how a well-designed third-party accessory can meet and even exceed expectations, providing essential functionality with added safety features. This adapter truly stands out as a smart investment for any Canon DR-2050c owner.
Video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.